So here's a little secret for you ladies that would love a man to approach you, would love to be the kind of girl that men stop their cars for, stop on the street, hot guys, great guys. I want to be that girl. Here's a little secret. You cannot be the woman that berates, embarrasses, tells men to F off, acts like you're crazy when a guy you don't like makes an approach, because that creates an energy field around you where even the guys who do like you will get the feeling and impression that you are the kind of girl that embarrasses men. When we say we want men to approach, that says men. You can't have a policy that says I want hot guys, nice guys, sexy guys only to approach. You have to be open and available to the action of men approaching. You have to be receptive to that. All kinds of men that you don't like, men that you think ill, all of them. And you have to have a protocol of welcoming energy, kind, sweet, warm. You can tell a man you're not interested without humiliating him. Yes, some guys don't get the message. Yes, some are ignorant. But you can still find a way to do it kindly. If you master this single thing and you become open, available, welcoming to all sorts of advances, I promise you, you will start getting more desirable men. You will start being the kind of woman who cannot leave her house without being approached by somebody amazing, somebody great, somebody not so amazing. And that will begin to change the game for you. So